Hello, students. Let us continue to study the chapter Combustion and Flame. In the previous class, we had learned what is combustion, a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. Also, we saw that the substance which undergoes combustion is said to be combustible, and the substances which do not undergo combustion is called non-combustible. We saw the different substances which undergo combustion and non-combustion in the form of an activity. So this was the activity which we performed last class. Now let us investigate the conditions under which combustion takes place. Again, to investigate, we should perform an activity. So for this, what you will require is you need to have a candle and a glass. So this needs to be in inverted position. Okay, ये जैसे सीधा है वैसे उल्टा रखना चाहिए इस तरह. So for that, what you need to do is fix a lighted candle on a table. Put a glass chimney over the candle and rest it on a few wooden blocks in such a way that air can enter the chimney. So this way. So एक wood का प्लाईवुड का छोटा सा पीस अगर हमारे पास हो तो उसके ऊपर रखना चाहिए और थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़नी चाहिए ताकि हवा उसके अंदर जा सके, so that there is supply of oxygen taking place over here. Now what we need to do after doing that, we need to observe what happens to the flame. Keep it so that oxygen is there and then air is there, basically air is there, and just see if the flame is there or not. Now here what we can see, the flame is there. Now remove the blocks and let the chimney rest on the table. Now these blocks which we had put, so that there is some space so that air is there inside this glass chimney. Now we are removing this. ये जो है ना लकड़ी के टुकड़े जो थे जिसके ऊपर हमने ग्लास का ये रखा था, वो अभी हम ये दो लकड़ी के चीज निकाल रहे हैं, and we are just keeping it flat on the plywood, on the wooden block. Now what is happening? We see again the flame, and what we see here, slightly like this it is there, little bit it is there. Just if you can see like small flicker like. Then what I do is I keep another wooden block over here on top. Okay. Now we have to again see the flame. Now what will happen in the third case? Nothing. We can see it is fully off. So does the flame flicker off? Does it flicker and give smoke? In the second case what happened? It flickered and it gave smoke also. मतलब बंद होते समय हम देखते हैं ना धुआं धुआं सा आता है, तो इस सेकेंड केस में हमने देखा कि धुआं धुआं सा काला काला सा कुछ धुआं आ रहा था. ओके. In the third case what we can say, nothing, it just went off. Now what can we infer? इन तीनों केसेस में हम क्या सोच सकते हैं? Now in this case what happened? There was air because we had kept some wooden pieces over here so that there is supply of air inside this glass chimney. In this case what we did, we removed those wooden blocks and we saw there was flicker and there was smoke. In the third case, nothing, it just went off. Now in all these three cases, when was it burning? Yes, it was burning in the first case when we had the wooden blocks in it. So what we can say that we find that for combustion, air is necessary. Students, kindly mark air is necessary for combustion. The candle burns freely in case A, when air can enter the chimney from below. From here below, because we have raised it, the wooden block, what happened? There is supply of air in this, and therefore, what we can say, the candle is burning. But in case B, when air does not reach the chimney from below, the flame flickers and produces smoke. So in this case, what we saw? कैंडल तो बंद हो जाती है, उसका फ्लेम बंद होता है और क्या होता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा धुआं धुआं सा निकल आता है. क्यों निकल आ रहा है, क्यों बंद हो रहा है? क्योंकि अभी हमने सप्लाई ऑफ एयर को कट कर दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने इन दो जो वुड के पीसेस थे उन दोनों को निकाल दिया. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इज देयर इज नो सप्लाई ऑफ एयर एंड देयरफॉर द फ्लेम इज नॉट बर्निंग. नाउ इन द थर्ड केस व्हाट वी डिड, वी पुट ब्लॉक ऑफ वुड इवन ऑन टॉप, दोनों के पैक कर दिया है. Imagine I tell you to close your nose fully. What will happen? You will not be able to breathe. In the same case, what happens to our flame? Our flame also is not getting supply of air, so it finally goes off because the air is not available. हवा नहीं होती है, उसकी वजह से वो ऑफ हो जाता है. And because of that, what we can see, it does not give a flame and it goes off. So students, what is the condition under which combustion takes place? We know that for combustion, air is necessary. So from this activity, we have found out that in order for combustion to take place, we require the supply of air. So I hope this activity is clear to you all and you all have understood the condition which is required for combustion to take place. Thank you, students.